guys, this is the air conditioner. So how to build an aircon. So first step, first step, dispenser and redstone. 1, 2, 3, 4, just like that. And click the compactor here and click compactor and click that. Oh, here, just like that. Thank you for watching, guys.